Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X3 SuperZoom and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So first of all, we have to find and select the settings. Then let's go to the additional settings and here let's choose date and time. As you can see here, we've got some options to customize. For example, we can change and choose our clock format. Now we've got 12-hour format, but if we want to, you can switch to 24-hour format. Simply click on the switcher here to activate that feature. As you can see, now we are using network provided time, but if you want, you can set it manually simply by tapping on the switcher. Now here we've got the set time, so click here and you can manually swipe and choose another date. As you can see here, we've got some home screen world clock or dual clock, but I don't want to customize them now, so I will leave them alone. Let's get back, and as you can see, we've just changed our date and time. If you want to get back to network provided time, simply do the same, so go to the settings, additional settings, date and time, and activate the use network provided time. And as you can see, it has been changed. So that's all. This is how you change date and time in your REALME X3 SuperZoom. And thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.